crew members to you. My name is Molefera Mempesa on this flight this afternoon. Assisting me in the front section of our cabin is Cynthia, taking care of your safety and comfort in the economy class is Valisa and Nolita. The cabin crew members on your flight this afternoon, folks, are conversant in the following South African languages: Lesotho, Zulu, Afrikaans, English, and this course. If any of our customers would like to have any assistance in any of these languages, kindly let us know. We also recommend our passengers to please guard your luggage while you are still on the aircraft. Folks, we've got a copy of our in-flight magazine, Sawubona, which is in the seat pocket in front of you. It's there for your reading pleasure. To our customers who wish to take this with at home, please do so. For passengers who prefer a digital copy, this may be downloaded at flysa.com or sawubona.com. We also have our in-flight streaming service, which is now available. To connect it to our streaming service, folks, you need to switch your phone into flight mode, and your Wi-Fi connectivity must be switched on as well. Once you're done with making sure that these facilities are on the correct mode, you can then scan with your device. There is a QR code placard located in the tray table in front of you, and once you scan it, it will take you through to our landing page where you'll be able to access movies, TV programs, games, and music. However, should this first option not be suitable for